How to log out of email application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are an email and wondering how to log out of your account, then don't worry. First of all, open the email application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now from the Me menu, go ahead and tap on the Settings button. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account and Security. On the next page, if you see at the bottom of the screen, right above Delete Email Account, you'll see a Logout button. Tap on it and click on Logout in the pop-up to log out of your account. You have now successfully logged out of your email account. So that's it. It's pretty simple and easy, isn't it? If you ever want to use the app again, just log back and using your phone number and verification code, and that's it. I hope the video helped you. If it did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more email tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.